Why does a business exist? Is it just about making money, or is there more to it? Picture this: a startup struggling to survive, a retail giant celebrating record profits, a tech company expanding across cities. Different goals, same engine, management. Whether it's survival, profit, or progress, management drives it all. In this video, we'll unpack the 3 key objectives of management and why mastering them is the foundation of every successful organization. Every manager balances 3 essential objectives, like signs of a triangle: organizational to help the business survive, earn, and grow; social to serve the community and protect the environment; personal to meet the needs and aspirations of employees. Let's break them down, starting with the foundation, the business itself. Let's start with the first and most basic goal: survival. Before a company can think of profits or expansion, it needs to stay alive. That means managing day-to-day cash, trimming waste, and earning just enough to cover essential costs. For startups and struggling firms, survival isn't just important, it's everything. Once survival is secured, the next big goal is profit, the reward for taking business risks. But profit isn't just about making money. It's what keeps the engine running. It powers innovation, pays salaries, attracts investors, and ensures long-term sustainability. Without consistent profit, even great ideas fade out. After survival and profit comes the next big goal: growth. Growth means reaching more customers, earning more revenue, and expanding your impact. You can measure it in many ways: rising sales, new hires, or entering new markets. It's how management transforms a stable business into a thriving one. Successful businesses don't just take from society, they give back. That's the essence of social objectives. These include protecting the environment, creating jobs, and supporting community development. Take ITC's eChoupal. It connects farmers directly to markets, cutting out middlemen and improving livelihoods. When management looks beyond profit, it helps entire communities grow. And finally, personal objectives. Every employee brings their own needs and aspirations to the table: financial, fair pay; job security, benefits; social, respect, belonging, team spirit; professional, opportunities to learn and grow. When management supports its people, it doesn't just build careers, it builds a motivated, loyal, and high-performing team. Now let's see balanced management in action at Infosys. It drives organizational success through global innovation and digital leadership. It fulfills social responsibilities with green campuses and impactful CSR work. And it meets personal goals through continuous learning and career growth for employees. This is what happens when management aligns performance with purpose. Everyone wins. Let's bring it all together: organizational objectives: to survive, earn profit, and expand; social objectives: to protect the environment and uplift communities; personal objectives: to support, reward, and grow employees. These 3 don't compete, they connect. Because in modern management, real success means moving forward with everyone, not just for the business.